So today in Dallas, Texas, this is the Vendo showroom. I'm at the Vendo factory, looking at the production line, talking to engineers, sales reps, whoever they let me talk to. Great people. It's a lot of fun. Talking about better ways to ship machines. We're gonna be looking at manufacturing processes here shortly. Here's the new G-Snack combos. GF9. Vendo makes all kinds of products aside from vending machines. All the things you would see in a convenience store. Hot food cases or display cases for food. Lots of fun.